Hello, Happy New Year. Welcome to my channel once again. Today I'm going to talk about something different. I'm going to talk about the African star apple fruit. Yeah, this is how it looks like. You can see when it's cut, you cut the middle and you open it, you get the seeds. Inside the seeds look like a star. Hope you can see that. Yeah, this is how it looks like. The African star apple. Yeah, I'm doing this because I've done jewelry with the seeds. Yeah, this is how the seeds look like when they come out of the fruit. I've had these seeds for a couple of years now, and I've had so many people have asked me where do I get the seeds from and all that, but so I decided to do a video on this today. So this is how it looks like, the fruits, and these are the seeds. Yeah, when the seeds are in the fruits, the shape is like a star. Yeah, this is how it looks like. So I've put the links of the jewelry I made from the seeds. You get the links below. If you click below in the description box, you find the links of the jewelry that I made from these seeds. Yeah, and this fruit is so amazing. It's got so many health benefits, and one of them is that it has a very high content of vitamin C. Yes, and another one is that it contains it has some properties that are good for diabetes. Yeah, and it also prevents heart disease, and it's a natural antioxidant. Yeah, so basically I'll put the name, the name of the fruit down. You can do your own research about it. I'm not here to talk mainly about the health benefit, but I just wanted to show you guys how the fruit looks like, and basically to show you where I got the seeds from. So I'm going to do other tutorials using these seeds again, so I'll from time to time refer people to this video of how the fruit looks like. So yeah, thanks for watching, and if you've not yet subscribed to this channel, please do. Bye.